Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, I've got Manjot with me, one of our online students, 8 each in PT with a perfect 19 speaking, 90 reading, 84 listening, 81 writing. Congratulations, Manjot, very well done.
Thank you, Varun sir.
Manjot, I remember you texted me a few days before your test that yes, you're struggling in reading. This time, a perfect 90 in reading and 81 in writing as well. What do you think is important for reading? Because there are a lot of students out there who are struggling in reading, and you've got a perfect 90. Any tips, any strategies which you followed which helped you to get this score?
So my advice would be like, if you want to score good, so first of all, you have to see like where the major scores are coming from.
Hmm.
Like I was focusing only on the reading and writing blanks,
Yeah.
but I forgot about read alouds. So then when I had chat with you, you said try more read alouds, go for some reading and writing blanks, and also pay focus to reorder paragraphs because they contribute as well. So
Correct.
based on that, I started
Hmm.
preparing, doing at least 15 to 20 reorders. You don't
Hmm.
have to do a lot, but
Yep.
at least to get the idea of like how what things are important in reorders.
Hmm.
And with blanks, you have to try them like at least 30 to 40 so that you get idea like what's the correct grammar and how
Hmm.
to find the standalone sentences that can help you find the right word in the blanks. So
Correct.
these are few things that actually helped me.
Correct.
And
That's correct.
also it's Ripan ma'am,
Hmm.
Swati ma'am, and thanks to you. You guys are really amazing.
Thank you. Thank you, Manjot. Really appreciate it. One thing which I take out of Manjot's journey is that it's very important that we follow the process. First of all, don't just blindly practice. Your practice should be guided and your efforts should be in the right direction. If you're just doing the wrong thing, doesn't matter how much time you're devoting, how much effort you're putting in, you're not going to get the results. You need to understand where you get the scores from, what is important and what is not important. Then you have to practice every day. You need to make sure you're consistent. You have to have that thing that yes, doesn't matter what happens, I have to do 20 blanks, 20 reading writing blanks, 10 reorders every day, or whatever plan you're following. If you're consistent, you are going to get your scores. Plus make sure you attend the reading sessions. You are going to crack it. Manjot, you have taken a number of mock tests. I remember you were doing pretty good in the mock test as well. How important are mock tests and how did the portal help you to get your scores?
Mock tests play a crucial role.
Yeah.
So it will help you to boost your confidence, first thing.
Hmm.
Like many people, like for me, I was really scared whenever I walked to the exam. So after
Hmm.
I started giving mock test with Language Academy, my confidence boosted up. So I was like, okay, I'm prepared. So every time, and there is a live feedback. That's a very good thing. Like as soon as you finish your test, it's very quick. And so does the portal. It's very interactive and you don't have to worry like it's complicated or something. It's too simple. So you go
Hmm.
there and it's just like basically similar to whatever is coming in the exam. So
Hmm.
that way, and also you can test all the strategies that you have and try
Hmm.
number of mock tests. And then there is one-on-one feedback based on that mock test, which is the
Yeah.
best thing, and
That.
which helped me to realize where my mistakes were and how
Hmm.
can I improve them and where I'm lacking the most and which
Hmm.
parts I need to work on to get my desired score.
That's 100% correct. Because when you practice and when you take the mock test, two different things. You will do very good while you're practicing, but when you take the mock test, you have nervousness, you have time pressure, you have to manage a lot of things. And if you're taking the full mock test 2 to 3 hours, you're tired as well. And that is where you get to know the real feel of the exam, real exam environment, and you get to know how you will perform under pressure. Because when we practice and when we don't take the mock test, we feel we are doing good, but mock test is going to give you a real picture. As in Manjot's case, he got the feedback, he knew what mistakes he was making, where he was missing out. Because if you're getting 79 in a mock test, means you're doing fine, but again you are missing out 11 points somewhere. So those 11 points you need to work on as well, so that you can get a perfect 90 in the test. Manjot, any final advice for students out there planning to go for the exam? What are the do's and what are the don'ts?
So the do's will be first of all, focus, watch all the videos by Varun sir and Swati ma'am, like all the strategies. They are really helpful and they are all working. And the second will be like have confidence in yourself. When you have the gut and it says you can do it, then means you are prepared for it.
Yep.
And just don't lose the focus in the exam, because that was my basic problem before I joined
Hmm.
Language Academy. I was just going blindly, like rather
Hmm.
than giving mock test, I was doing practice, and I just
Hmm.
walked into exam. So the
Hmm.
problem was like sitting for 3 hours. Some of the
Yep.
questions I was just like, no, I don't want to pay too much attention. But if you
Hmm.
are looking for desired score, it does need your attention. And
Correct.
the don'ts will be, don't try to change anything. Whatever is set by Varun sir, it's perfect. So you don't have to change anything. They all work. And that other daunt is when you are attempting the reading section, don't try to hurry up. You got
Yep.
enough time, because
Hmm.
I was like initial tests, what I was doing, I was just going there and blindly filling up the blanks like, okay, this can fit. Just take your time, focus, and you will be easily able to clear the exam. And at last, I just want to thank entire Language Academy team and their strategies. They are really good, and I'm very happy I got my desired score because of them.
Thanks for that, Manjot. See, one thing which I really liked about Manjot is that he's dedicated. He has worked hard. He has put in the effort. Yes, obviously, we taught him the strategies, but it's not just the strategy. It's not like that he'll come to me, I'll give you a strategy, and you'll get the score. You have to make sure you practice the strategy, you implement the strategy, you take the feedback, you work hard as well. One thing won't just give you the score. It's a mixture of many things, plus your hard work, your dedication, and your consistency, which will help you get this score. Congratulations, Manjot. All the very best for your Nati now.
Thank you so much, Varun.
That's it from this video, guys. Make sure if Manjot has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. If you're getting 75, 76, 77, you're almost there. You don't need to give up. You need to work hard in the right areas, in the right direction, under the right guidance, and you are going to crack it. If you have come so far, don't just stop. Make sure you clear it, crack it, and then stop and claim 20 points actually for your PT and 5 points for your Nati and get your PR. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.